Do you ever do like brand exclusive? No, that's right. Do you do brand exclusive? Is that something that you go down? And how does that work on those like 50 to 1 of them?
Yeah, we're trying. Yeah. So we have one almost exclusive. We have a few semi-exclusive deals where we're one of like 4 or 5 sellers max. And maybe someday they'll go fully exclusive. Yeah, we've been lucky to just have, a handful of very good accounts that are good for a lot of sales. So, our top 5 accounts constitute like, over half of our sales. And we have about 100 active accounts. So yeah, it's pretty top heavy. So we're kind of changing strategy to like double down on our best accounts, make sure we're always in stock of everything, reporting monthly sales numbers, telling them about authorized, unauthorized sellers, it's everything we can possibly do to like make those brands happy. Because that's where wholesale is headed, I think. Either like, there's a company as an exclusive agent for a brand or an exclusive reseller, and the brands are getting smarter. They're selling themselves more and more often. So I think if you want to be in Amazon long term and have like a really legitimate wholesale business in Amazon, you need some sort of product around what you can do for a brand, not just resell their product. You have to do more than that these days. And we kind of promise that we'll do more, and we do more than just resell, but we don't do much more, if I'm being perfectly honest. So that's an initiative working on the next year, like actually coming up with a product, not a physical product, but like our pitch. Here's what we do for you, like from listing optimization to the ad stuff to, the whole 9 yards, and like a very clear scope of work and a contract and everything, and kind of just really legitimize it. I know I'm talking more advanced stuff right now. Hopefully people are getting value out of it.
Lots of people are doing it. Amazon's getting more competitive. And the question comes, if you're just buying and selling, it's like, you're the same as everyone else. If the brand isn't going to sell direct, they're going to sell through one of you. It's like, what value do you bring outside of buying the product? Because they might as well just sell to Amazon. It's like, well, no, these guys actually give us a lot of consultation. They give us a lot of feedback about how we can develop our product, what we can do, improve listings. We do marketing strategies. We get, more information about it. They help us manage the people doing fakes, for example. Like all of this is like, we value the service you bring. And I think that's so important.
I have this visual in my head, like a brand has a sales pie, and I imagine it like a pizza pie, basically, where it's like, if they have 4 sellers, you can envision the pie sliced into 4. And then like those 4 sellers get a quarter of the sales. And then you add a 5th, and then the pie sliced into 5 and a 6th and a 7th and an 8th and 20. And all that's happening is the same sales number is just getting sliced smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. So like when I was first starting my journey, I couldn't understand why these companies would say no. It's like, I'm trying to buy your product. I'm trying to give you $10,000. I can't believe that you're not willing to sell me this product. And now I completely understand it. It's like, you as the 20th seller, all you do is cannibalize the existing sales. They don't make more money by selling to you. In fact, they make less money because they are now dealing with more customers. They have to do more invoicing, more smaller orders, and their sales pie just gets sliced smaller. And any company is going to want to deal with one or select few legitimate businesses to just not only deal with their existing sales revenue, but strategize to increase the revenue, make the pizza bigger and bigger. Like those are the partners every brand wants, not just reseller number 15,